The electric drill. Did you know the electric drill is a technology from fixing things? Even the man was fixing the wooden by the electric drill. Fixing the wooden is awesome, right? Evening fixing the stone, right? Fixing the stone is great, right? Picking the electric drill with this bag, right? You can fix the stone with this electric drill. You can be do whatever you wanted, right? And you can fixing the wooden with this electric drill. You can be do whatever you wanted, right? Evening fixing the wall. It's not good, right? Evening fixing the telephonic. It's not good to fixing, right? Fixing the wooden is cool, right? Then evening fixing the portal. It's not good, right? Evening holding a hand, right? Two holding a hand. It's really good, right? And making the sound, right? Not like this to fixing the wooden is good, right? Like the builder was fixing the wooden, right? Or even fixing the wooden house, right? Evening the handyman was holding the electric drill, right? To fixing the wooden is really working done, right? I like the man was fixing the wooden, right? And I like the woman was fixing the wooden, right? Like fixing the electric ruler, right? The handyman was fixing wooden with this electric drill, right? Then the man was fixing the wooden forms like a cube with this electric drill and hearting a song with this earphone, right? Fixing the electric drill is really awesome, right? Like fixing the electric drill. Like drums pink elephant with the electric drill, right? Evening blossom she like the electric drill. Evening Bee Princess, she don't like the electric drill, she was scared then. Or Evening Ludwig, he hates the electric drill, right? Then Scroot of the Trolley King, he hates the electric drill, right? Then Chef Fritz, he hates the electric drill too. And finally, last but not least, Mina, she liked the electric drill too. Thanks for watching.